Yes, you
Good
have.
morning, all of you.
Good morning again.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Now you need to switch on your videos, right? We are going to switch on our videos and good morning. Okay, only I am doing it. Good morning, good morning. Chalo, chalo, utho, utho, utho. Good morning. I can see sleepy faces. Good morning. Okay, great. All right. So as today it's our last day of creative camp, आज हमारे creative camp का last day है. So we thought of why not have it as a family day या फिर have it as a creative day because our camp's name is creative camp. So let's have it a creative day. So आज का जो हमारा कैंप है, आज का जो हमारा डे है, you are going to celebrate with any of your family member or all the family members. Everyone can join, or if not, then anyone who is there for you with you can join. So आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? You can see मैम के पास कुछ नहीं है. I don't have any material with me. I'm not going to teach you anything. हमेशा हम क्या करते हैं? I teach you something, then you make according to it. So आज मैम कुछ भी बनाने नहीं वाली है. आज मैम आपको कुछ भी सिखाने नहीं वाली है. But मैम is going to tell you that exactly आपको क्या करना है. So now these 10 days हम 10 दिन से एक साथ है. Mothers have helped us so much. सिस्टर, ब्रदर, पापा, सब लोगों ने हमें कितनी मदद की है 10 दिनों में. सो इट्स टाइम टू से थैंक यू टू देम. थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए, नहीं बोलना चाहिए? We should say thank you or we should not say thank you, right?
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
Yes, we should say thank you to them, right? But we are not going to say them thank you verbally. हम सिर्फ उनको thank you नहीं बोलने वाले हैं. What you all are going to do is you are going to make a card for them. You are going to use your creativity. आपको आपकी creativity use करनी. If you want to make card with sketch pen or if you want to make card with just pencil and drawing, या फिर आपको card किस तरीके से बनाना है, scissors use करके बनाना है. So it is all up to you. ये सब आपके ऊपर है and you have to make a thank you card for the one who has helped you so much in these 10 days. Okay? Yes, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So whatever material that is required, quickly go and get that material. आपको क्या लगता है आपको कार्ड बनाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? वो सामान आप लेकर आइए. Okay? Whatever material you think is required to make a card, you are going to make a card. Okay? I'm not going to make at all. So whatever that is required to make a card, you get the material. Okay? You can write if you want. आप उसके अंदर लिख सकते हो कुछ. You can write maybe 2-3 lines of why you are saying thank you to them, or you can write anything which you feel like. आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो अब अपने आप को. You can write it in Hindi, in English, in Marathi, for that matter, any language which you feel comfortable and which you know, and we have to make a card. Okay, I can see Arjun with scissor. Yes. Push with yellow paper. Good morning, Pooja. Hello, good morning. Yes, Sunny. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. It is totally up to you how you want to make that card. Okay? Yes, and parents, while they are making the card, you can just tilt the camera a bit so that I can see their artwork. Because I can just see their faces, so I can see their artwork. So just tilt the camera like this so that even their artwork is visible. Yes, Athar, good morning. Okay, great. I can see Manas with a paint brush and poster color. Nice. आज आपका दिन है. Very nice. Yes, Sunny. I have seen Sunny has made it. Very nice. Beautiful. Now Sunny has to make a thank you card. Okay, Sunny? We have to make a thank you card. Okay? All by themselves. Very good. So nice. I can see them doing so many different things. Okay, I can also see Rucha making a thank you card. That's nice. Good, good. Very nice. Yes, Aditya. I hope even you are making Aditya Bang. I hope even you are making a thank you card.
Yes, ma'am, I'm making.
Yes. Very nice. Okay, okay. So many things happening. Wow. Arjun, that's so nice. Very nice.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Yes, ma'am. Today they are going to make a thank you card. It is to say thank you to anyone who has helped them throughout these 10 years. And it is completely up to them how they have to make it. Scissors,
Okay.
colors, just painting, writing, all
Okay,
up
okay.
to
Fine,
Yes.
fine.
Yes. I can see Very nice. I can see Kush putting some stars on his card. Good. Yes, Sarah, you're so creative. You're going to make a good card. Very nice. Do it. You can use colors. Okay, Hardik is there. Yes, good morning, Tavish. Good morning. Very nice. Tia is doing something. The paintbrush. So good. Pranjali is doing something. Nice, Hardik.
जल्दी चिल्लाओ मत। नहीं
Yes, Aishwarya, good. I can see a circle. What are you going to do next? Very nice. I can see sparkles. I can see paintbrush and poster colors and all. Good. Okay, I can see Amitoj with some Fevicol and water mixed together. Very nice. Wow, Shikhar, you have made, I guess, a big sister. Big sister? Mother, sister, क्या बनाया? Very nice. Thank you. क्या लिखा है? क्या बनाया?
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. And Didi और sister, Didi और शिखर बनाया ना?
Wow, very nice.
Thank you so much.
Very good. So much creativity the kids have with the help of the parents. Nice, nice. Arjun, you can write something inside the card. I can see you have made a flower. So up under card, it's always, it open like this, huh? So we can't keep inside empty.
Ma'am, I've done.
Very good.
एक
Ishan.
second.
Okay. Thank you, mummy. You have written very nice.
Ma'am Vedant.
Yes, Vedant.
ये ओपन करो इधर देख लो कुछ में नहीं इधर ओहो
Okay.
वेदांत
Thank you, mom. Okay. He has made drawing of him and his mom. Wow, that's so nice. Beautiful. Good. Good, Vedant. Good.
Ma'am, देखिए I've done.
बोल दो कुछ
Yes.
स्माइल दे दो दिखा दो ना अच्छा
Yes, Ishan, I can't see your video, bacha.
Ma'am, I've done.
Yes, Ishan, but I can't see your video.
एक सेकेंड.
Yes.
UK मैम UK.
I can see Manas has done some painting and he's waiting for it to get all dry.
See.
Wow, very good. You have written thank you, mummy. And there I can see क्या है साइड में क्या बनाया है आपने पेड़ बनाया है
मैम पेड़ बनाए हैं और उसका प्लांट्स बनाए हैं और फिर फ्लावर भी.
Okay, wow, very nice. Very good. So creative.
Thank you मैम.
Good, good.
Other drawing.
Yes, Arav. आरव ने क्या बनाया है
बस क्या क्या बनाया
वाह क्या बनाया है बताओ हाउस बनाया है ओके
और माउंटेन बनाया
वेरी नाइस
और बटरफ्लाई भी बनाया
और बटरफ्लाई भी बनाया
बटरफ्लाई भी बनाया है
और क्या लिखा है
थैंक यू पापा
ओ थैंक यू पापा वेरी नाइस ओके पापा आपको हेल्प कर रहे थे 10 days में
यस
वेरी गुड नाइस
पानी बना
so much creativity the kids are showing that's so good to see yes Aditi what have you made wow अब क्या करना है उस पे what are we going to do क्या करेंगे उस ब्लू और व्हाइट पेपर पे हम वाओ प्रांजलि
Thank you, madam.
थैंक यू बच्चा क्या करना है आदित्य उस पे उस कार्ड पे
Smile. Chapu, smile. Smile. Chapu, smile. Madam.
वेरी गुड वेरी नाइस Okay, I can see Hardik made it colorful. Pranjali, thank you, Ma. Very nice. Good.
Ma'am done.
Oh, wow.
Show.
Wow, Kush. इसीलिए stars लग रहे थे.
Yes, ma'am. We use sticker. Kush, what shapes? Tell. Stickers shape star, heart, and look what inside show. Lot of smileys.
Oh, wow.
Hey. Thank you, mom. What you have written? Thank you, mom. Yes, Kissy.
Very nice. Oh, he's also giving a kiss to his mom. So sweet. So sweet of him. All the parents, you are going to put these cards in your bedrooms or in the hall, anywhere where the kids can see it every day and be thankful. Very nice. Setia. Very good. Made a flower.
Sevita Mahar.
Very nice. Star and moon. Oh, she has also written I love you. That's so sweet. I love you, mom. That's so nice. Yes, Tia. Oh, wow. What has Tia made? That's so beautiful. I can see that beautiful girl is Tia. Nice. Very nice. Yes. Sunny? Yes. Okay. Sunny has written thank you brother. Okay. हाँ सनी का भैया उसको हेल्प कर रहा था. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, Amitoj card is ready. Oh, that was sprinklers used. Mama, Papa, thank you. And thank you for. Okay, Akanksha ma'am. Okay, my name is there. Okay. For the camp. Love. All right. Amitoj. Very nice. All the parents kindly put their cards, photos on the WhatsApp group. Yes, Sarah. Okay, Sarah has made Abby, mom, dad. Okay, that's good. What is Rucha making? Oh, wow. I can see thank you, Akanksha, written with a heart. Okay, thank you so much. I can see Hardik. Okay. He has also written thank you, ma'am. That's nice. Good. So much of creativity. Shanmukha, yes. Wow. Very nice. Very good, all of you. Very good. After this, we are going to play a game, okay? And even Pratiksha ma'am has got something for you. So we are also going to play that. Yes. Very good, Hardik. Very good, Sunny. My brother is very good. Okay. Yes, Tanush. Thank you, mom. Arjun, your card is very beautiful. Yes, Manas. I can see you. You want to say something to me?
मैम यू प्ले मराठी हिंदी मैम आप गेम खेलते कुछ
हाँ, गेम
ना
खेलने वाले हैं. यस, हम जस्ट रुके, जल्दी से कार्ड फिनिश हो जाए तो फिर हम गेम खेलेंगे. आज गेम्स खेलना है. यस, आदिति. ओह, वाओ. Thank you, madam. Okay, that's so sweet. That's so sweet.
Thank
Very nice. So we'll just have 2 minutes more so that everyone's card is ready and the table is also clean by then. Whatever material was required, it's all clean, it's all done. That's good. We'll have more 2 minutes, then we'll play a game. Very nice. Do it quickly. Yes, Pratiksha ma'am, are you ready with the game?
Yes, ma'am, all ready.
Okay. We'll do it once they are done with it. Yes, even the parents, anyone interested in doing any game, any activities. Yes, Vibhu. Oh, wow. That's so good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So there are going to be 2 games by Pratiksha ma'am, and I will also play one game for you all. I guess 2 or 3, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm going to play 3 songs for ma'am dance only today.
Okay. Okay, so they have to dance on that. Okay. Yes, dance was something that we didn't do. So we can have dance. Yes, Arjun, good. Bean Yamin, very nice. Flower, yellow flower, very good. Okay, has written so much. Okay, thank you, Amma. Ma'am, can you please read it out to me? The moment it gets close, it gets blur.
Yes, written, dear Uma, you have been helping me all these days. Thanks, Uma, for being with me. I love you, Binny.
Oh, wow. Very good. Very good. Okay, I read it Amma. It was Uma. Very nice. Yes, very good, Atharv. Beautiful. Everyone is making it so nicely. अच्छा हो गया आज मैम ने नहीं सिखाया, मैम ने नहीं बताया कैसे करना है.
कर दो hearts.
Okay.
करना. Hand बनाऊंगा मैं.
Yes, I can see Tia's hand raised. Oh, she has written something on it.
Ma'am, shall I show?
Yes, Aditya, you can switch on video. Thank you, Mummy ji. Okay.
Ma'am, but
Gigi. Okay, it's Gigi. Okay, that's so nice, Tia. Beautiful. I want everyone's pictures on WhatsApp group. Yes, Aditya, you can switch on your video. Okay. Now, I guess everyone is ready and everything is clear. जो चीजें आपको लगी थी कार्ड मेकिंग के लिए वो चीजें अभी हमने साइड में रख देनी है. So just clear it up if you're done making the card. And while you're clicking the kids photo, kindly send us 2 photos. One is that of the card or anything that is written inside the card, and one with them holding it. We even want to see a beautiful face behind such cards. So the kids holding the card and whatever, if there is anything written inside or they want to show us, that also. Okay. Great. Yes, okay. Vishnu. Wow, Aishwarya, that's such a beautiful card.
देखिए.
Wow, nice.
Wow. It says, I love you. Thank you. That's such a beautiful card, Aishwarya.
Thank you, ma'am, for attending. You said something.
Ma'am, see.
Very beautiful. Yes. Ishan. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Everyone
Thank you.
is so creative. Everyone is so good. Yes, Vishnu.
Thank you, ma'am. For attending class. Yeah.
He's doing it. He's still doing it. Okay. Great. So let's move to the next activity. Let's start with the next activity because एक पूरा दिन भी कम है for them to make creative stuff and something or the other will keep on coming. So yes. Okay, Dave. थोड़ा सा पीछे बचा. Very nice. I can see something written with pencil. Please share the photo with me so that I can read it. Okay. Pooja, I can see your card with a heart. Thank you, Mom. Okay, that's so nice. So beautiful. Very nice. Very good. So all of you clap for yourself. All of you clap. Manas, your card will get ready. Let it dry completely. Then you make a card. No problem. Clap. Very nice. Very good.
Clap, 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 clap. Clap, clap, clap.
Clap, 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 clap. Okay. Great. Now we have with us Pratiksha ma'am. She is Kush's mother and उन्होंने आज आपके लिए activity लेकर आए. So I can see Kush and Pratiksha ma'am standing. So now we all have to stand up. You all are going to stand up for this activity.
Yes, that is what I was going to say. Everybody was sitting for quite long, so stand up. Come on.
Yes. Come on, quickly stand up, all of you.
Fast, say everyone, stand up, please. Stand up, please. Yes.
All of you stand up. Parents, please take the camera a bit away so that we can see it completely. Yes, I can see Aditi jumping and dancing.
Okay, wait for the music, okay? After doing this camp, everybody is feeling sad or happy?
Okay, ma'am is asking.
Yes, how everyone is feeling, sad or happy? Happy. Happy. Kush is feeling happy. Happy. Everyone is feeling happy, then show thumbs up.
If you all are happy, show a thumbs up. Okay, that's nice.
So now I'm going to play some songs and we are going to dance, okay? So first song is the happy song only, okay? All ready?
So it's a happy song and you all are going to dance on it, okay?
हर किसी का ख्वाब होता है लंबे और घने.
It is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me.
1 minute, parents can also join to dance, okay?
Yes, the parents can join and there is no step for it. So you can make your own dance.
Stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody.
Yes, Sarah, stand up, we are dancing.
I'm so happy. Oh, so happy.
Yes, Tavish.
Sing with me. I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me. Na, I'm so happy.
Yes, Arav.
So happy. Sing with me.
Very nice. Clap
one
for
more song.
yourself.
Everyone
Clap for
wants
yourself.
one
Clap
more?
for yourself. Yes, yes, ma'am. Clap for
One more
yourself.
song. Everyone wants one more? Kush wants one more. Chalo, Kush, you play. So you all know what is right and left side of your body? You all know,
Uh,
right? Right hand.
Raise
left
your right hand, all of you. Raise your right hand, all of
hand.
you.
Left hand.
Raise your left hand, all of you.
Right leg.
This is your right leg.
And left leg. So we are going to do right and left song. Okay? All ready?
Learning made interactive and engaging with the Disney.
Yes, Sunny, get up, get up.
Download now.
Dance करना है, Sunny.
Let's twist. Twist your right hand. Twist, twist, twist your right hand. Twist, twist, twist your left hand. Twist, twist, twist your left hand. Twist, twist, turn around. Shake it down. And twist, 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 twist your right foot. Twist, twist, twist your right foot. Twist, twist, twist your left foot. Twist, twist, twist your left foot. Twist, twist, turn around. Shake it down. And twist, 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 twist. Now dance to the music. Dance, dance, dance to the music. Dance, dance. And do 3 hops. Hop, hop, hop. Do 3 hops. Hop, hop, hop. Dance to the music. Dance, dance, dance to the music. Dance, dance. Now everybody stop.
Sarah, get up.
Everybody drop.
Dance, dance, dance.
Right hip. Twist, twist, twist your right hip. Twist, twist, twist your left hip. Twist, twist, twist your left hip. Twist, twist, turn around. Shake it down. And twist, 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 twist your right knee. Twist, twist, twist your right knee. Twist, twist, twist your left knee. Twist, twist, twist your left knee. Twist, twist, turn around. Shake it down. And twist, 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 twist. Now dance to the music. Dance, dance, dance to the music. Dance, dance. And do 3 hops. Hop, hop, hop. Do 3 hops. Hop, hop, hop. Dance to the music. Dance, dance. Dance to the music. Dance, dance. Now everybody stop.
Stop.
Now everybody drop. Oh, dance to the music. Dance, dance. Dance to the music. Dance, dance. And do 3 hops. Hop, hop, hop. Do 3 hops. Hop, hop, hop. Dance to the music. Dance, dance. Dance to the music. Dance, dance. Now everybody stop. Now everybody drop.
Everybody had fun.
Yes, everyone had fun.
So now we are going to do one last song, okay?
Everyone had fun. Yes or no? Yes, you can have deep breathing. Do deep breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. And I want.
Relax. Okay,
Yes.
everyone relax. Okay, release and relax, as Akansha ma'am says.
Yes, everyone release and relax.
Relax, relax. Take deep breaths, and then we will
Even
be
parents release and relax.
And now we are going to do an exercise song, last song, okay?
Okay. Yes, I can see thumbs up by Aishwarya.
Come on, everybody. Let's do some fast and slow things together. We are jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down. We're jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. We all are jumping up and down. We are bending over, bending over. We all are bending over, bending over, bending over. We all are bending. We are running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast, running really fast, running really fast. We all are running really fast, we're running really fast, running really fast. We really fast. We all are running really fast. We are hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes. We all are hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes, hiding our eyes. We all are hiding. We are swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water, swimming in the water, swimming in the water. We all are swimming in the water. We are climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder. We all are climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder, climbing a ladder. We all are climbing. We are bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down. We're bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. We all are bouncing up and down. We are falling to the ground, falling to the ground. We all are falling to the ground, falling to the ground, falling to the ground. We all are falling to the ground. Yes, we did it. Yes, we did it.
Great.
Oh, yes, we did it. Yes, we did it.
Yes, we did it.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did it. Clap for yourself, all of you. Clap. The parents, you did a great job today. It's so good to see. I was not getting up for a reason so that I can see everyone dancing so well. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Pratiksha
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving the opportunity, and thank you all friends.
Thank you so much, Pratiksha ma'am. Thank you, Kush. And yes, today we could see the parents dancing. I could see Harshali ma'am. I could see Hamito's mother. And I could see Shikhar's sister dancing along. That is so good to see. Clap for yourself, all of you. Clap. Great job. Great. Now you can just breathe in and breathe out. I mean, I don't think there is anything better than dancing on last day to express happiness, to express all the energy that we have. So yes, clapping, clapping. So now for the kids, very specifically for the kids, I have a game. Okay. So it's like a treasure hunt. आपको पता है treasure hunt क्या होता है? Treasure hunt is something that we can play at home. Okay. ट्रेजर हंट मतलब क्या है? आपकी घर में कुछ चीजें हैं. I will not be telling you difficult. Yes, exactly. मैं आपको कुछ difficult चीजें नहीं बताने वाली हूँ. मैं कुछ आपको बहुत simple चीजें बताने वाली हूँ. And you have to find it at home. आपको वो ढूंढ के लानी है. Okay? The kids who can do it, who can move around, if they are not too small, let them do it by themselves. If the kids are too small, then someone can accompany, but then make sure that the kids are finding it by themselves. उनके हाथ में चीजें मत दीजिए. Okay? So we are going to play a treasure hunt. मैं आपको कुछ ऐसी 4-5 चीजें बताऊंगी and you will not run. Okay? That is the rule of the game. कोई भाग के नहीं जाएगा. If you run and you don't, I don't want you falling down. Okay? So we will not run. We will go slowly. We will find our thing. We will get back. Okay? So that's a treasure hunt that we are going to play. So everyone is ready? Everyone is ready to play a treasure hunt? All right. Okay. So the first thing is जो आपको पहली चीज ढूंढ के लानी है वो ये है, find anything that is square in shape and red in color. Anything that is square in shape and red in color. Wow, Aishwarya was quite quick with it. She had a table.
Man, square in shape, in red in color.
Shape and red in color.
red in color. Square in shape, red in color.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have got
Very nice.
ma'am, 1 second.
Very good,
Ma'am,
Aditya.
1 second.
You got a plate. Arjun got a card. Okay. Very nice. शादी का कार्ड लेकर आया है अर्जुन. Okay, I can see Tia with a Kit Kat. That's so nice. Aditi with a tiffin box. Wow.
नहीं दिख रहा है.
Amitosh with a tiffin.
बैकग्राउंड में हटा रहा हूँ ना.
Very nice.
बैकग्राउंड
Atharva
हटा रहा
with a box.
हूँ. दिख रही है मम्मी.
Good. Beam Yamin. Very nice.
Red love.
Yes, Arav. Good, good. I will be muting everyone so that I can talk to you and I can tell it to you. Okay, I can see Shikhar. Very good. Hardik. Very nice. Kartikeya. Sara. Manas. Wow. Very nice. Pranjali.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Arav came with a cube. Very good. Dev. Very nice. Aditya. I can see a tiffin. Yes, Aditi. Good. Good. Yes, Dev. Very nice. Tiffin box. Very good. Very nice. It was so easy to find. Everyone got it. Wow. ये तो बहुत easy था. सब लेकर आ गए. I can see Kit Kat and greeting cards and tiffin boxes. Very good, Vibhu. Rubik cube. Very nice. Vishnu. I can see. Very good. Yes, Sarah. Pencil color. Very nice. Hardik. Very good, Hardik. Pooja. Very good. Okay. Now we go to the next object then. Something that is round in shape and black in color. Round in shape and black in color. I want the kids to do it. The whole point is them looking around things, observing things. Anything that is round in shape and black in color. Very good, Aditya. Very good, Shanmukha. The kids have to look around. The kids have to observe. Yes, Arjun.
Ma'am.
Yeah, mug. Very good, Vibhu.
Ma'am.
Yes, Vibhu. Good. Good. Tanush. Black tape. Yes, Binyamin. Good. Hardik. Very nice. Very good. Aishwarya. Very good. Sony speakers. Very nice. Yes. Ishan.
Round in shape, black in color.
Good, very nice, good. Very good. Yes, Pooja, very good, sir. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Atharv, Arav, Amitoj, Pranjali, Tia. Very nice. That's such a small thing. Very nice, Manas. Sarah.
की गोटी.
Yes. Sarah, good. Carom. So Manas, you like playing carom? You play carom. Very good, Kush.
Cycle tire, ma'am.
Cycle tire. Oh, very nice.
देखो आंटी.
Very nice. Yes, Dave. Very good. I can see that is something from mom's makeup kit. Very good, Aditi. Very nice, all of you. Everyone got it. Everyone got it. Very good.
Water bottle cap.
Cap, bottle cap. Good. Good. Very nice. Good. Now, last object which we are going to do. Now, we have done square as a shape and red as a color. Then we have done circle, round as a shape and black as a color. Now, next thing which we are going to do is triangle, which is a difficult one. Okay. So, you have to get anything that is triangular in shape and the color can be of your choice because that will be very difficult. So, the color can be anything, yellow, blue, white, anything, but the shape has to be a triangular. Okay. Wow, Binyamin Ali, he got it from his geometry box. Sarah, very good. A tissue, a paper napkin. Yes, Shikhar, that's blue in color, but what is it?
It is a small stapler.
She was the best.
Oh, it's a stapler. That's good. Yes, stapler is triangular in shape. Yes,
Ma'am.
Sekia, very nice. Very
Napkin.
cool.
Napkin triangle.
Napkin triangle, ma'am.
Napkin triangle, very nice. Oh, Arav has got comfort, which is triangular in shape. That's nice. Yes, Manas, what you had in hand? Red color.
Pencil grip.
Pencil gripper. Okay, that's good. That's triangular in color. Very nice.
Say it to that. Say it to show. Show to the man.
Very good. Think, look around, kids. Look around. देखिए आपके आसपास क्या है in triangular shape.
मैम मिल गया मुझे.
Yes, switch on your video, Aditya. Very good, Aditi.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, mama.
Very nice. Oh, I can see a pencil. So creative, Aditya. Yes.
मैम पहले मुझे लगा कि पेंसिल होगी, लेकिन फिर मुझे लगा कि
triangle.
चाहिए.
Empty triangle.
Yes, Ishan, what is that?
मैम triangle.
Okay, triangle. Okay.
जो रेगिस्तान बनाए थे. See, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's a pyramid. Okay, that's a pyramid.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Very good.
Egypt.
Yes, Egypt. Very nice. Yes, Aishwarya. Wow. Yes, Sarah. Very good. Yes, Kush. That is so multicolored. मैंने कलर नहीं बताया तो आप सारी कलर्स लेकर आ गए हो. That's very nice.
Pooja triangle shape, ma'am.
Pooja. Oh, Pooja has made a triangular shape. That's so good. Yes, Manas. Manas. Oh, show it like this. Pen stand. हाँ. ते असं triangle नाही दिसणार, मग ते असं square दिसणार. Yes, show it like this. Triangle. Yes, pen stand. Very good. Yes, Amitoj. Very nice. I can see colorful triangles in Amitoj's hand. Pranjali. Very good. Okay, good. Now sit down, all of you. Come at your places. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, great. You had fun finding these things at home? आपको मजा आया चीजें ढूंढने में? आपको पता चली आसपास कौन सी चीजें हैं हमारे घर के अंदर? What all things we have at home? जब हम ढूंढ रहे हैं and how we can find shapes. Okay? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now we know that what all shapes are there around us. We know.
मैम
Yes,
मैम
Aditya.
हम ऐसे खेलते हैं गेम. लाओ जाओ. सपोज अपनी पत्ती लाओ जाओ, इमली की पत्ती या किसी की भी पत्ती.
ओके, वैसे गेम खेलना है. ओके, ऐसे है. So what I was trying to tell you, the thing was that हमारे घर के आसपास, okay, within our home there are so many things and in so many shapes and in so many sizes and in so many colors, okay. So what you all have to do as kids, हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, हमें आस पास देखते रहना है. We have to क्योंकि मम्मा क्या करती है, मम्मा कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस करती रहती है ना. हमारे हॉल में कुछ चीजें आ जाती है, हॉल से कुछ चीजें बाहर चली जाती है, मम्मा किचन में कुछ चेंजेस करती है, आपके बेडरूम में कुछ ना कुछ चेंजेस होते रहते हैं. So every day something or the other keeps on changing. तो हमें देखना है कि हमारे आसपास कौन सी चीजें हैं, कौन से शेप में है. What is this shape? This is not a square. This is a rectangular. Okay? स्क्वायर क्या होता है, स्क्वायर में सारे शेप सेम साइज के होते हैं. रेक्टेंगुलर में देर आर टू साइड्स विच आर लॉन्ग एंड टू विच आर शॉर्ट. सो अ रेक्टेंगुलर, दिस विल बी अ रेक्टेंगुलर, इट वोंट बी अ स्क्वायर. सो ये डिफरेंशिएट करते आना चाहिए. व्हाट इज अ सर्कल, व्हाट इज अ ओवल शेप. ऑलराइट, so this game was about finding things around you. And I am so happy that सारे बच्चे जा रहे थे, ढूंढ रहे थे, and even the parents were helping. Now the fun part. Now all are going to go and get their plants. We are going to have a nice photo with the plants. Manas, you can show it to me.
Ma'am, I haven't shown my card.
Okay. Manas, you can show it to me on paper. No problem. Everyone quickly go and get plant. Very nice, Aditya. That's so beautiful. You have made it for your mama. Very nice. Very good.
Plants.
Yes. Good, good. Come and sit with your plant. Very good. Very nice, Arjun, Tavish, Manas, Kush, Amitoj, Aishwarya, Arav, Atharv, Kartikeya, Dev, Aditi, Tia, Binyamin. So wonderful. Manas plants with a card. So nice. Yes, Aditi, very nice. Yes, ma'am, देख रही है. Very good, Sara. Beautiful. Beautiful, all of you. So, आप में से कौन मुझे बता सकता है कि हमने क्या सीखा इसमें? क्या सीखा? Yes? क्या सीखा हमने इसमें से? हमने फर्स्ट डे पे लगाया था. Yes? कौन बताएगा? Yes, Shikhar, I can see your hand raised. Okay, you can just quickly raise your hand so that I know who wants to see, who wants to speak. So आप में से जल्दी से hand raise कीजिए so that मुझे पता चलेगा कि आप में से किसको बात करनी है. Yes, Aishwarya, you want to say?
वो ग्रो करता है.
Grow करता है. Very nice. Yes, Shikhar, you raised your hand. You want to say something?
Daily.
Very nice, Dev.
रोज पानी डालने से ग्रो करता है.
Very nice.
पानी और सनलाइट खाना होता है.
Very nice. पानी और सनलाइट उनका खाना होता है.
मैम, प्लांट से खाने में मिलता है और ऑक्सीजन भी मिलता है.
Yes, ऑक्सीजन मिलता है. Very good. One by one. अभी हम सब अगर बात करेंगे तो मैम को सुनाई भी नहीं देगा. अगर मेरे सारे बच्चे बात करेंगे तो मैम को सुनाई ही नहीं देगा. मैम को पता ही नहीं चलेगा कौन बात कर रहा है. कौन बात कर रहा है मैम को पता ही नहीं चलेगा. So we will do one by one. हम एक एक करके करेंगे. Yes. Yes, Dev.
प्लांट्स को फूड मिलता है.
Right. Very good. Very good. Yes, Aditi. Now you can unmute and say.
Oxygen.
Oxygen मिलता है. Okay, very good. Yes, Binyamin. You're on mute. You're हाँ.
Light and water.
Yes, very nice. Very good, Vibhu. I saw your plant. Very nice. Yes, Amitoj, even you were saying something.
Sunrise.
Loudly bolo.
Sunrise.
Sunlight. Okay, that's good. That's nice. Yes. So हमने first day पे हमने एक बीज बोया था. It was a small seed. It was like very tiny. आप सबने हाथ लगाया था ना? खुद के हाथों से किया था ना? कितना छोटा था? कितना छोटा हमारा सीड था? इतना सा था. This small it was. Now it has grown so big in 10 days. So सोचिए अगर हम उसको रोज ऐसे ही पानी डालेंगे, अगर रोज सनलाइट उसको मिलेगा, अगर रोज हम उससे बातचीत करेंगे, तो वो कितना ग्रो करेगा. So इसी तरीके से the same way if we were also small kids, हम भी बहुत छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे, हम इतनों से थे, बट हम भी कितने बड़े हो गए हैं, है कि नहीं? आपकी हाइट बढ़ गई है, आप भी बड़े हो गए हो ना? आप जैसे 1 साल पहले थे अभी उतने छोटे हो क्या? नहीं हो ना? आप भी बड़े हो गए हो ना? Yes, Ishan, you have also grown big. Yes, we all have grown big. Arjun, है कि नहीं? Yes, I can see a thumbs up. So इसी तरीके से जिस तरीके से प्लांट्स को सनलाइट एंड वाटर की जरूरत होती है, हमें भी अच्छे अच्छे खाने की, हेल्दी फूड, ओके, न्यूट्रिशियस फूड, प्रॉपर वाटर, सनलाइट यानी कि हमारे लिए एक्सरसाइज और हम बाहर जाना जिससे हम सनलाइट ले सकते हैं. सो ये सारी चीजें भी आपके लिए जरूरी है. You all are going to have proper food. You all are going to have proper, बहुत से बच्चों को दूध पीना पसंद नहीं होता है, बट हमारे लिए दूध बहुत जरूरी है. सो हमने दूध पीना है. दूध हमारी एनर्जी के लिए अच्छा है, उससे हम ग्रो करेंगे. ओके, सो उसी तरीके से हमने 10 दिनों में देखो आपका प्लांट ने कितना ग्रो हो गया है, आपका प्लांट कितना बड़ा हो गया है. तो और अगर हम उसको 1-2 महीना और पानी देंगे तो और वो कितना बड़ा हो जाएगा. यस और नो? यस और नो? दिस इज अ यस, दिस इज अ नो. यस और नो? ओके, ग्रेट. सो यस, पेरेंट्स एंड किड्स.
पानी डालने से प्लांट खराब हो जाता है.
पानी डालने से
प्लांट खराब हो जाते हैं, ज्यादा पानी डालने से.
ज्यादा पानी डालने से, यस. अगर हम बहुत ज्यादा पानी डालेंगे प्लांट में तो प्लांट मर जाएगा या प्लांट टूट जाएगा. सो बहुत ज्यादा पानी नहीं डालना है, जितना प्लांट के लिए जरूरी है उतना डालोगे. यस, अनम्यूट अनम्यूट अर्जुन, अनम्यूट एंड से यस.
1 से 2 स्पून पानी डालेंगे तो बढ़ जाएगा.
यस, बट जैसे जैसे प्लांट बड़ा होगा वो 1 से 2 स्पून से ज्यादा हमें डालना पड़ेगा, राइट? अभी आपका जो को प्लांट बड़ा हो गया तो अभी उसको ज्यादा पानी की जरूरत है. ओके, सो यस, पेरेंट्स एंड किड्स, with this we come to end of our creative camp. It's already 9 AM and आज Friday है, but we will be done with it. I want all the parents to come on screen for once. I really want to know that how helpful you all have been to the kids and how they are turning out to be so wonderful. So yes, Pratiksha ma'am, I can see a plant. I can, yes. Okay, so all the parents please come on screen. Aditi ki mama hai, everyone do come on screen. Yes, Sara, even I am going to miss you very much, but don't worry, we are soon going to come up with something. Yes, Harshali ma'am, we are definitely planning for the kids. Even I don't want to leave the kids. So we will keep on meeting every now and then, some camps or the other we are planning to do for the kids. And everyone give a tight hug to everyone who is around you. जिन्होंने आपको help किया है उनको ऐसे tight hug कीजिए, because I am not there, right? So now give them a tight hug. Yes. Very nice. Good.
मैम
Yes.
हग करते समय डिस्टेंस.
No, you can hug your mama. मम्मा और आप एक ही घर में रहते हो ना, so no social distancing with family. We all stay together. बाहर के लोगों को नहीं करना है, of course, but you can obviously hug your mama, your sister, your papa, anyone. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Over to you, Harshali ma'am. I won't be able to speak much now.
I know. I mean, it's so मतलब इतनी आदत हो गई थी अभी सुबह सबसे मिलने की, सब मॉम्स और बच्चे एंड सबको देखने की, that we are really going to miss everyone. But कल से ही मेरे दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ 2-3 दिनों से ही कुछ ना कुछ आ रहा है कि okay, we can do this, we can do that. So we are coming up with more such things helpful for our kids. So stay tuned. थोड़ा वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं हम लोग and then we'll get back on something interesting.
Yes.
Yes.
Sally ma'am and Akansha ma'am, please that workout class, ma'am, please start that from the next month.
Definitely, ma'am. We are planning on that. We are planning something that will be beneficial for all the kids. Just give us a week or something like that, and we will be back.
Yes, we will start something. No problem. और stay tuned. सबको देखना है मुझे next classes में भी. I mean, till then, wonderful kids, lots of love and blessings and enjoy करो. मुझे जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा. I don't want to
I don't want to say anything over this.
Yes. I mean, really nice to see all the, I mean, enthusiastic parents are there with, I mean, मुझे पता है सुबह सुबह कितना ये होता है, but everybody is there. बहुत अच्छा लगा, आप सबने इतने अच्छे से ज्वाइन किया, पार्टिसिपेशन 100% और सबने अपना दिया है and wonderful. Thank you so much from us कि सबने इतने अच्छे से पार्टिसिपेट किया और बहुत मजा आया सबको. I hope.
Yes, it definitely means a lot, because trusting someone online and since day one the kids have been with me. I was a new face to them, they were a new face to me, but they made sure that जो कुछ instructions मैं दे रही हूँ, they were following it, they were sticking around. 1 घंटा भी बहुत difficult होता है even for us to be in front of screen for whole 1 hour. But these kids made sure. I don't remember, मुझे नहीं लगता इनमें से कोई भी washroom break या water break लेके भी गया है. So for throughout like पूरा 1 घंटा they are on screen. So that's really very much means a lot to us. And any parent who would like to say anything to us, also we will be sharing a Google form. I will be creating a Google sort of a feedback form. I will be sharing it in the WhatsApp group. It is very simple. It just has all the activities which we have done, and any activity, any specific activity that you have liked the most, and anything that you want us to repeat. So the Google form is more about feedback and recommendations. You can also add on to anything that we have not covered in this session and you want us to take in the another session. So we will be sharing that with you soon. And so any parent who would like to say anything, you are most welcome.
उसके पहले सब लोग आकांक्षा दीदी को एक hug और flying kiss देंगे, thank you करेंगे, है ना? Because that is our thank you.
Thank you.
Oh God, I'm not liking it. Okay, yes, a big hug to all of you. Yes, इसीलिए मैंने मम्मा को बोला आपको hug करने के लिए, because I can't come there and hug you. So a big hug to all of you and flying kisses to all my favorite kids, all kids. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
now anybody wants to say anything? Yes, sure. Go ahead.
So ma'am, really this was really very helpful for a child like Amito, जिनको 10 मिनट भी एक जगह बिठाना बहुत ही चैलेंजिंग था, but day 1 से he has been there throughout the session. सिर्फ एक दिन था जिस दिन आप राइटिंग वाला करा रहे थे ना, उस दिन थोड़ा ओवरवेलमिंग हो गया था and he left the session in between, but I was there and he came back थोड़ी देर के बाद, and he has become a big fan of you, Akansha ma'am. इसका इतना कनेक्ट मैंने देखा नहीं है, इनफैक्ट कार्ड में भी इन्होंने अभी बनाया है आकांक्षा मैम, एंड since 3 days he has been telling me मैम को फोन करो, उनको बोलो यहाँ पर आए, उनको बोलो यहाँ पर आए, तो मैंने तो बोला है कि मैं जब भी नागपुर आऊंगी मैं मैम के पास जरूर आपको लेकर जाऊंगी। आप नागपुर में रहते हैं ना मैम?
Ma'am, I stay in Ahmednagar. Harshali ma'am stays in Nagpur. But we'll definitely meet, ma'am. I would love to meet all the kids.
And yes, ma'am. And we really want कि ऐसे sessions अगर और हो पाए. It's really engaging for him. मतलब school शुरू हो गए इनके. ये school नहीं attend करना चाहते, but he looks up to these summer camps. मतलब इन पे तो जरूर इनको आना ही है. So it's really nice and we really appreciate the efforts that you have put in. और बहुत हेल्पफुल भी था, मतलब जो चीजें आपने सिखाई हैं वो लाइफ स्किल्स, वो चीजें बहुत जरूरी भी है सीखनी, तो बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से सिखाई है। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू सो मच।
अगर आपको कोई भी किसी तरह की हेल्प चाहिए, इफ यू वांट पेरेंट्स टू हेल्प सपोर्ट, सो वी आर देयर मैम, यू कैन जस्ट कनेक्ट विद अस। आई मायसेल्फ आई एम अ फैसिलिटेटर, आई एम अ टीचर इन अ स्कूल। सो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी आपकी टेक्निक्स, बहुत अच्छी लगी पढ़ाने की, बहुत सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक
यू सो मच। थैंक
you so much.
Thank you.
Hello ma'am, this is Atharva's mother.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. I would like to say thank you. I mean, this class is going, you are conducting in Nagpur, but still we can attend it thanks to Corona, this Corona period. So because we are connected to this wonderful group, and special thanks to you.
Thank you so much
for being there for our kids. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Hello.
So good to see.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Ma'am, I really appreciate your work, ma'am. I myself is a special educator. So, अगर आपको कोई भी help चाहिए तो ma'am, always ready at any time.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much. It's so good to see that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
प्रांजलि ने बहुत ही enjoy किया, क्योंकि मिनट पे ना सुबह जल्दी उठना सीख गई। At 7 o'clock, she used to get ready.
Wow. That's wonderful.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Ritu ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. बहुत इसके लिए कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है थैंक्स करने के लिए, और इतना अच्छा लगा। आप हम लोग चाहेंगे कि आप लोग बार हम लोग को ये चीज इस तरह से कुछ दिनों पे कराते रहें, और हम लोग सुबह के टाइम इतना बिजी से उसमें टाइम निकाल के बैठना, लेकिन इतना इंटरेस्टिंग, इतना अच्छा लगने लगा कि कभी भी हम लोग ने मिस नहीं किया। सारे लोग बैठ गए और सुबह अपना टाइम छोड़ के, काम छोड़ के आपके पास बैठे। बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मैम, इसका कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है बोलने के लिए।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It means a lot to us also.
Thank you. And the best part is that kids are also very thankful, and Shikha wants to say thank you to you. Say. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shikhar. Thank you so much. It's so good to see. It's actually it's actually a very overwhelming time for me as well, because like I said, even for a day, if any of my kid used to go missing, I used to look for them. Like Shikhar was not there for a day, Kush was not there on day 1. So for me it is like it's like a blessing in disguise. So we are here stuck with COVID and everything, but still I am so much connected to the kids. I myself like working with kids. I have been doing it for 3-4 years now, but the kind of love, the kind of support you all have given it to me, कि जो चीज चाहिए या whatever I used to put in instructions, you used to trust me with it. You used to make sure that आप सारा सामान लेके सुबह 8 बजे ready होते थे. So that used to be really appreciable, and I hope that my techniques, or I hope the way I have taught the kids, it will help them beyond this creative camp. So let that be the table manners, or let that be the fireless cooking, or any anything, the life skills, expressing their emotions. This is something that I feel it should be in continuation. It should not be like, हाँ ये period था, ये period हो गया and it's closed. So I really hope that it keeps on happening in process. आप भी as a parent घर में ये चीजें रोज के routine में लाइए. Kids learn by looking at us the better way, and don't worry, even I won't be able to stay away from the kids for longer period of time. We will be back soon. The creative camp WhatsApp group will not be dissolved. It will be there. You can reach out to us personally or in group. We will keep you updated. Me and Harshali ma'am and Shivani ma'am, we all three are working on the next project. So we will keep you updated with it. Anything that the child does is creative and according to their level, it's really, you know, appreciable. So please share that on group. We would love to see the kids. And yes, that's all from my side.
Thank you. I think anybody wants to say anything. Otherwise, we will take a leave.
Yes.
Hello, madam. Yeah, Aditi.
Yes, Aditi.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
welcome,
Aditi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aro. Thank you. You're so cute, bacha.
Thank you.
Okay. So you are on screen and your video is switched on. So can you just smile with your mom? Okay, sit and smile with your mama, and I will click a very nice photo of all of us. Okay.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
So sit. Yes, thank you so much, Pooja. You can smile. You can switch on your video. Yes. Quickly switch on your videos. You can click a very good photo of you and your mama sitting together. Mama, Papa. Yes. I was looking for Amitosh. That's so nice to see. Yes. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yes. Smile, all of you. Great. Yes, okay. Manas is coming. Manas was coming. We'll click on another photo. We'll click one more photo. Just give me a minute. Manas was coming. Okay. Smile again. Smile again. Very nice, all of you. Yes. Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe, be at home, and see you soon.
See you. Thank you from Samartha Foundation, Shivani Didi, and me, Harshali, from
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Yes, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.